Okay, here is a helpful video for my kindergarten small group that's doing this solo. Here they are, right in front of me. All these smiling faces, very good. Yeah, okay. So this, parents, is going to help your kids a lot. It goes like this. Just listen as I sing. There's nothing you can do that can't be done. Nothing you can sing that can't be sung. Nothing you can say, but you can learn how to play the game. It's easy. Nothing you can make that can't be made. No one you can save that can't be saved. Nothing you can do, but you can learn how to be you in time. It's easy. All you need is love. And then you do all that. All right. And while you guys are quietly sitting there, not making any sound, I will do the last part that you need to know. There's nothing you can know that isn't known. Nothing you can see that isn't shown. There's nowhere you can be that isn't where you're meant to be. It's easy. That's your part. If you are able to do that really, really confidently, memorized, we'll be in great shape. You've got your homework. Make it happen.